Hello, I am Dr. Swarupa Iyer, consultant gynecologist at Cure Gynac IVF and Birthing Hospital, Thane. Today I am here to discuss a very vital issue post-delivery, that is breastfeeding. Breast milk is a most natural and easiest way to provide nutrition to the newborn baby. It is said that if all the children are fed with breast milk in first hour of life immediately and then exclusive breastfeeding for first 6 months, then almost 8 lakhs child lives can be saved per year, which otherwise these children succumb to some natural diseases like pneumonia or diarrheas, because breast milk contains antibodies for all these diseases. So what are the ideal ways of starting breastfeeding? First of all, it should be started as earliest as possible, at least within 1 hour prior to delivery. Even in case of cesarean sections, breastfeeding can be initiated immediately with the help of assistant or the relatives holding the baby onto the mother's breast. The first thick yellowish fluid that comes, the yellowish breast milk, that is called as colostrum, contains the highest amount of antibodies, and it is recommended that it has to be given to the baby. Breastfeeding after this should be always on demand. Whenever baby cries, the breast milk should be given. The ideal positions for the breast milk or breastfeedings are, the one and which is most comfortable is called as cradle hold, or it can be also fed in laid back position. Breastfeeding, though it is very natural to a woman, the correct and accurate information, support by family and support by health personnel is very essential. Benefits of breastfeeding to the baby: it gives all the protection to the baby against the common diseases like diarrhea and pneumonia. It gives all the nutrition to the baby, and breast milk is the only thing that baby needs. These babies also get some long-term benefits because of breastfeeding. Babies who are exclusively breastfed for 6 months are less likely to get what is known as type 2 diabetes in their adulthood. There are less likelihood of obesity in these children. And another and most important thing is, these children do much better in intelligence test. The benefits are not restricted only to the baby, but the benefits go to the mother also. The mother who breastfeeds exclusively for 6 months is also protected against next pregnancy almost to the level of 98%. So it acts as a natural birth controller. Mothers who breastfeed for 6 months also are protected against cancer breast and cancer ovary in their long-term life. It is very easy to return to pre-pregnancy weight immediately after delivery when mothers breastfeed exclusively. Return and chances of obesity are quite less in mothers who breastfeed. So breastfeeding is the thing that has to be given by mother to the newborn. It practically has no contraindication. So all the babies are entitled for breastfeeding, and it should be given to all the newborns whenever it is possible. The last thing I want to add is for working women. Many women feel that once they start working, breastfeeding has to be stopped. But some practical tips: breast milk can be stored at room temperature if the temperature is around 27 to 30 degrees for almost 2 to 3 hours. So if you express the milk and keep, it can be used within 2 to 3 hours. In the refrigerator in chiller compartment, it can be stored for 6 hours. And in deep freeze at 0 degrees, it can be almost kept for 72 hours. Though the milk changes its color on storing, it doesn't lose its nutrients. So those mothers who really want to exclusively breastfeed their children more than 6 months, or even if they are working, they can store the breast milk either at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours, or in chiller compartment, or in deep freeze. So happy breastfeeding. I hope this information was useful to you. For anything else, you can log on to our blogs or websites. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.